This is Crash Nerf 4.
5 times? Do my guns count as 1 or?
No, they count as 15.
Problems.
Well, that's your fault.
I hit you 3 times.
No, you didn't. I
Yeah.
didn't remember my Cooper, I really don't want to shoot you, but.
Oh, Lucas is almost dead. Lucas.
Oh, that was
yeah.
1.
Lucas has 1 bullet left.
What?
You're almost
I was
dead.
only shot
I used
once.
4 times.
Huh? When?
Oh,
I'm dead. Wait, Cooper, what are you doing?
I need another weapon.
Oh! Cooper,
Lucas is dead.
no, you didn't hit me.
Did I not?
When? Okay. I ducked. Unless you hit.
I need a gun. I need a gun. I need a gun.
Hit him twice.
I need a gun.
Lucas.
What? Connor, can I have a pistol?
No.
Lucas, give me some bullets, buddy. What?
Alright.
Give me some bullets. I have. Oh, yeah. Like normal. My other mag's over there, by the way. Oh, hey,
Just
Cooper.
unlimited lives.
Hey, Cooper, how many bullets you got left?
Please don't.
No. How many bullets
Unlimited
you got
lives.
left? What?
Unlimited lives.
Oh, yeah. Ah, my nose. Man, I got like 4 bullets in total.
Get bullets. Oh, one's up 4.
No, I got the junior rival.
Speak English, please.
Hey, Cooper Boober.
Oh! I stubbed my toe on my own gun.
Good. You stubbed your toe on your own gun. Oh!
I hit your
No,
hair.
you missed me. Oh my God, Parker! I'm gonna took off your forehead.
Yeah, we're having unlimited lives, by the way.
I missed. This might not work. But at the same time, it might work. Lucas, you dummy. Oh yeah. Sorry about that. Ow, my nose. Hey, Connor. Give me some more. Connor, Preston, I need my other magazine. My other magazine is over there. Oh, I'm dead. I need my other mag. Yes,
Parker, come back to base, please.
No, I have this. My other mag.
Lucas, this one?
Yeah, I need it. No,
Yes, I got Parker.
not. I'm going to your base.
Have fun doing that.
Oh!
What, Lucas?
I said I'm going to your base.
Things happened. Camera down.
Well, see, I have 2 bullets.
You guys gotta clean up.
I'm gonna use you as a shield. Come here. Come here.
Alright, guys. I'm gonna sneak attack them. Let's go. I'm going for Parker. Parker's ugly.
Give me one.
Come here, buddy.
Right now.
Hey, Parker. Give me my bullet back.
All right. I think we're done here.
Yeah.
Alright.
Drop the shot.
Goodbye, everyone.
Drop the shot, you
How did that feel?